All right, guys, we've been busy with the stuff around the shop. So 2.0 got unloaded, sat in the warehouse so that we could load up 1.0 and get it down to Cletus and Cars a couple weeks ago. So it was sitting there. So this video, we're going to take it over to M1, get it out of the way for now because there's a lot of grinding and stuff going on. We're going to bring the Volvo back, do a little stuff with the Volvo, like little tweaks or whatever. This is the first time the Volvo has actually been in Michigan since I've owned it. It sat at Cletus's place, I mean, since I bought it 2 years ago. So plan to get some miles on that this summer, have a little fun with it. Midwest Drags. Midwest Drags is coming up in a couple weeks. Merch trailer will be there. Lisa will be running the merch trailer at Midwest Drags. Make sure you get your Sick to Mag merchandise. You don't have to pay shipping on it. You get it there. You can also go to the website, get the merch. You can also Summit. When you're checking out at Summit, if you want free shipping, Summit has our G-rated stuff. They've got the t-shirts and I think they have the hoodies and the hats. So for sure they have the t-shirts and the hats. But if you're in the store, they're on display at all the stores. They're also online. Just add it to your box and get free shipping off Summit. So that's where we're at with the merch. Subscribe to the magazine. Sick Week edition is shipping right now. So issue 7 and 8. So we still have some of them. They're shipping out, but when they're gone, they're gone. It's kind of like the other stuff. So get on there. You'll get that. You'll get that one shipped out to you right away. As soon as you order, within a couple days, it's going to go in the mail to you. The Australian issue is different than the American issue. It actually has one of the cars from Australian Drag Challenge on the cover down there. So unique one. It's shipping locally. There is no surcharge on it. Also no surcharge in the UK. No surcharge in Canada as well. So you don't have to pay any surcharge. It's 33 bucks a quarter. You get your double issue. Alright, if you saw the video, not the Carolina Drag Cruise, the video before, filmed up here, we had the golf cart. We're doing some modification. Excess Power shipped us new batteries for it, so 4 12-volt high amperage batteries, new motor for it, new controller for it. So pep that up a little bit. That's the one we use at M1 because it needs to pull a trailer now. We got a little trailer over there because whatever, a lot of the events there. We take care of that stuff with that. So we got this is the golf cart we use at M1. The golf cart that's in the race trailer, we hot rodded that like 7-8 years ago. So this one's always been a dog because we compare it to the other one. And then this one probably gets driven longer distances than that because M1, you're driving it all over the place. But, so we bought a little trailer, which I think you saw in one of the other videos, for it to tow behind it. Needed new batteries, so we got a hold of Excess Power from 6 volt or 6 8-volt batteries to 4 12-volt batteries with a lot more amperage. I think that should do something. Excess Power, so it'll work out cool. But he's got the old motor out, putting the new motor in. It's red, so red means fast. So hopefully it'll be better. Now we'll see what happens with it all. We're not trying to be the fastest golf cart out there. We just don't want to be the dog that it was before. And it's got to tow a trailer around. So that's what we got going. Aiden's working on that stuff, and we'll see how it performs after. We can't show you before because the batteries were so bad that we couldn't even get to drive. So therefore.
Like the 20 lead weights that are just shoved up there, we got to put those on the back of here. So
oh yeah, so it can be broken like the white one?
Yeah, the white one's cool.
Got it. Martin out there. Real high quality paint. Made my hand all pink.
To do the video of how to install it on the beach. This is the old controller that we are replacing. So hopefully we can do some wheelies with a new controller. Out with the old and with the new. So that is red. One is red, blue is 2. Just like that, she's ready to do wheelies.
Carolina Drag Cruise was last week, just ended. Luke did a stellar job trying to do YouTube videos and trying to update you guys on that stuff. That's something that that we do want to know is that okay? Do you want to follow that? Obviously, they get a lot of views or some stuff saying whatever. We don't like Luke, but Luke is the one that writes almost all the articles in the magazine, and that's what he puts it together. Like, he spends a lot of his time in the basement, like writing all that stuff and putting all that stuff together. But he does go to the events. He does a lot of YouTube videos at the events with me, and then obviously, I mean, they did 3 different videos there to cover that Carolina Drag Cruise. There were 64 cars. It was up from 16 last year. Great event. Seems like everybody had a great time. I have a lot of projects, like real job work wise, and then with the stuff around here that we had to do that, I mean, I can't unfortunately go to all these events. So let us know if that's something that you're okay with, of having the coverage even if I'm not there, or do you just want to see my beautiful face anytime that there's a YouTube video, and if it's not there, then you don't like it. But so if you haven't seen some of those videos, go back and give them a watch. I mean, it was 8 Mile racing. Some of the tracks were a little sketchy from what I hear, but watch the videos, comment on the videos, and say, hey, do you want to see that event grow to be a bigger event, like a Sick Week or a Drag Week style event? So once again, let us know on that. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Tell me if you don't want that stuff anymore. We'll throw it on the Sick the Mag channel or whatever, but it's just not going to get as many views over there as it'll get on my channel.
Just finished watching the video, make sure there's no wires I have to cut or anything so I don't blow it up. But
now, let's go ahead and remove the personality chip.
Time to cut a hole. That John ass plug, instead of putting it somewhere else, they put it right where you gotta put it. Right where plastic goes, so you gotta cut a hole in it.
I'll see how it fits with just 4 batteries. It's about that other battery there. I mean, the rest to go about there.
Well,
Except that seems bigger there than there.
Yeah, it could be. What's that got to do? You can't just put a spacer to get enough to work there.
Yeah, probably could.
Like a 2 over it.
Hold it down. Yeah.
You're the guy doing the job. Finish your job.
Go hop on her lathe and make us a space.
You can't. No, it's a piece of molly tubing. Just get it, cut it to the length. 3/8.
5/8. Those are sweet.
Yeah, those are. I robbed from the Bronco parts out there.
Oh, gotcha.
Just use these. I don't know. Use these too, dude. Come on.
One of those is probably enough. As long as the washer doesn't go past it.
Yeah, just see if that works. If not, we have every size piece of tube in there. We can cut it to exact length. Not tip and fall off.
Yeah, but if you got that damn thing in there, you can't do it. Right? It's all hooked down. Alright guys, and also I said I would keep you up to date on the Haas situation. Well, still haven't heard from them, but got another bill. So got to pay them another $23,623. So I actually what's weird is a couple days ago, I'm like, oh, they didn't bill me. Maybe they shut off the billing or whatever. Well, then sure enough, I asked Jenna, and she's like, oh no, we got the bill. I just didn't put it in the system yet. So, still paying 23 grand a month for something we haven't been able to get a product out of yet. Now, one thing to know is if I don't pay this, it's on a network, so therefore they can shut it off remotely. So if I don't pay this, we have no chance of probably making parts whatsoever. So still holding out hope that they are going to contact me and do something like they said they were a year ago. That's your Haas update. So Bobby's also setting up a new, oh, it's gone.
Bye-bye.
Bobby was setting up a new welder that we got from Lincoln, shipped us, and so keeping stuff going. Thanks, guys. Bobby was right. Hey Bobby, this just tips when you tighten it down.
What do we do, Bobby?
No. These off right here.
This and this.
Just that, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want me to do it?
Well, they automatically end up this way.
Well, no,
'cause
there's
that's
two
where the hold
different.
down is.
There's two different holders. So.
There is?
Shit, Terry. What the hell happened?
This baby will jerk woolies when you get this in there. Break it in like you're gonna use it, just full throttle. Can you put them all on maximum and just see what it does on all max?
No key? Who's got the key?
Oh, it's in the.
Clear on the front. Like, we have had to keep this deal under wraps. Like, and we haven't done a great job of being under wraps, but literally, like, when you find out exactly what's going on, it truly is under wraps. So you can guess what you think it's going to be, and you can go back to the social media post I did to that got Dodge on board with the project. But literally, you will be blown away and surprised by what we are actually doing, and no teasers and what they gave us, like, but blow you away. So I posted a picture the other day of two of them, two Hellcat Durangos together, but things are not as they seem. So you're gonna have to watch that video next week, but that's a little teaser for it. So thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe to the channel and comment what you'd like to see, and we'll see you in a few weeks in Midwest Drags.